Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, I'll tell you about a seminar that I presented today. Today I had the privilege and honor to be among, I was one of 4 attorneys that presented to the Queen's Chamber of Commerce. So my topic was on estate planning with a focus on business succession planning. So it was a topic that the banking committee of the Queen's Chamber of Commerce put together. And I spoke, it's an overview in this type of setting, right? You can't do a deep dive. But a couple of takeaways that I think are good for business owners among this audience, and even people that have, jobs with the state or unions, really anyone. I'll try and make this, good for all, right? That's what I try and do. That's the purpose of these videos, right? To be informative, to give you information, to let you see me and my thought process. So in succession planning, you need to have someone that you trust take over for you should you become incapacitated or upon your death. And you want that person, in the context of a business, to perhaps take over or sell. So one of the things that I discussed today was, if you don't have proper planning, you can run into a situation where your family is fighting over your business or a portion of your business. There's a fight. If you own 100% of the business, there's going to be a fight among your family for that 100%. But what if you only own 50% of a business? Your family is going to be perhaps fighting with each other over the 50%, and then the family representative might be fighting the other 50% owner, right? So that's a fight before the fight. So in proper business succession planning, you can determine in advance what you want to happen to your business. Hey, upon my death, I want my estate representative to sell the business to my existing business partner. That's an option. Or you might say, I want the estate representative or my oldest child or my 3 children to become a part of the business, right? One or the other, something like that. In order to do this, though, you need to put thought and consideration into what would best serve your family and what would best serve the business. Because the worst thing to do would be to have an unprepared relative go into the business and really run it improperly, or not know how to, you get it, right? Not know how to really properly run the business or something else. Please reach out to me if you have any situations you want to go over with respect to business succession planning. FrankBrunoLaw.com. I always start out good. Sometimes I lose steam. I got distracted because I'm actually home today. I did my Zooms and work on my home office, but I'm listening to a phone call being answered. So, all right, the joys of staying home.